Hello and welcome you all. In this video, we shall discuss about elements used in a basic program. For example, constants, variables, operators, or comments. Data are most important part of a program, and data which cannot be changed in the program is called constant. For example, in a statement x equal to 100, 100 is constant, and constant cannot appear on left side of equal to sign. All the numeric values are constants, and any character, a word, or a sentence enclosed in quotation mark is also a constant. This is called string constant. Value true or false are also constant. These are called Boolean constant. Now let us see what is a variable. Variable is defined as a name given to an area in the computer's memory. As you know, data used in a program has to be stored in computer memory, and variable is used to access that memory later on in the program. There are two types of variables: numeric variable and string variable. Numeric variable is used to store and access numeric values, and string variable is used to store and access string values. Now let us look at operators. Operators are symbols which work on given variables or constants to produce a new value. For example, plus, minus, asterisk, etc. All these are arithmetic operators. Greater than or less than symbol is comparison operator. And, or, and not are logical operators. Plus sign used between two strings is concatenation operator. Comments are also used in the program to make program more readable. Comment is used to provide an explanation and description to the code. A comment is a non-executable statement. Non-executable here means that basic compiler will not do anything or simply ignore these statements. There are two ways of writing comment. First is using hash symbol as first character on the line, and second is using rem command or rem statement. Command is most important part of the program, because command is a word which is used to give instruction to the computer. For example, print, input, or CLS. You will hear this term statement in BASIC quite often, because every complete line in BASIC is called a statement. It contains command and other elements of BASIC. I hope I am clear to you. In case of any doubt, please put in a comment. Thank you.